dumpster rental service in Florida. Are you tackling a significant home renovation, cleaning your garage, or managing a construction project? At Freedom Dumpsters Plus, we're here to make your cleanup easy with our reliable dumpster rental service in Florida. Whether you're at home or working on a commercial job, we've got you covered. We'll help you select the right dumpster for your needs and deliver it to your door on schedule. Fill your dumpster with unwanted debris, whether it's construction waste, yard debris, or junk from a cleanup project. We make it easy to manage. Need help with what to dispose of? We're just a call away. When you're done, call us for prompt pickup. We'll haul it away and handle the waste disposal so you can focus on completing your project. At Freedom Dumpsters Plus, we're proud to be your go-to dumpster rental service in Florida. As a locally owned, veteran-operated company, we're dedicated to offering you the best service, no matter where you are in Florida. Ready to clear the way for your next project? Call us at 904-892-5362 to book your dumpster. At Freedom Dumpsters Plus, we make cleanup easy.